Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to create MagicBricks leads as GoHighLevel contact. So I run a real estate agency and I'm receiving new leads through MagicBricks.com. So now here in this case I want that whenever I receive a new lead through my MagicBricks.com account, then automatically the new lead received should be added as a contact in my GoHighLevel account as well. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create MagicBrick leads as GoHighLevel contact. As I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a real estate business and I use MagicBricks to generate leads, and now managing those leads effectively is crucial for follow-up and conversions. So by automatically creating MagicBrick leads as a GoHighLevel contact, I can ensure that every inquiry from potential buyers or renters is captured and organized in my CRM. This makes it easy for me to track communication, send follow-up messages, and nurture these leads into clients. So instead of manually entering lead information, this automation saves me time and ensures I never miss a potential sale, helping me stay on top of my real estate business. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my MagicBricks account with my GoHighLevel account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as how to create MagicBrick leads as GoHighLevel contact. And now here I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as MagicBricks. So MagicBricks is an online platform where people can buy, sell or rent properties. It's like a one-stop shop for finding homes, offices or commercial spaces. People use MagicBricks because it makes searching for properties easy with detailed listings, photos and filters to match their needs. Whether you're a buyer, seller or renter, it helps you explore options, compare prices and connect with real estate agents or owners. It's perfect for anyone looking to find their dream home or a good investment property. So in my MagicBricks trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my MagicBricks account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever we are going to receive new leads through MagicBricks, then automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my MagicBricks account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, which says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your MagicBricks account. Reach out to your account manager from MagicBricks. So here it says reach out to your account manager from MagicBricks. So here you have to reach out to your manager from MagicBricks because MagicBricks portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL on the user interface of their application. So that is why you are supposed to reach out to your account manager from MagicBricks. So you need to send this webhook URL to your MagicBricks point of contact, and once you have done that, then you are supposed to capture the webhook response over here. And here further it says your integration will be activated by the team within a week's time. That means your integration will only be activated with the help of contacting the team of MagicBricks over here. And within a week of time, your integration will be live. And once they activate the subscription, leads will start coming to the campaign selected by you. So here we are going to do a test submission, and here to do a test submission, we are going to click on this capture webhook response given over here. And here you can see we have received a test response over here. That means we have received a test lead over here with the mobile number. Here you can see the location as Mumbai. Here you can see the last name as user, first name as demo, and email as demo@pabblytudes.com. So here you can see I have received a test response, and if you're running a live campaign and if you're receiving the live leads, then you will receive the label and the value similar to this one only. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to add the lead received to our GoHighLevel account as a new contact. So for that, let me take you to my action step, and here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as GoHighLevel. But here in Pabbly Connect, instead of searching for the GoHighLevel, you have to search for Lead Connector V2. So here by selecting Lead Connector V2, we are going to connect our GoHighLevel account with Pabbly Connect. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses manage their customers and grow sales. It combines tools like CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and appointment scheduling in one place. People love it because it simplifies their workflow and saves time, making it easier to focus on growing their business. So in my Lead Connector V2 action step, I'm going to select my action event as Create a Contact, so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through MagicBricks, then automatically using the detail received, it is going to create a new contact in our GoHighLevel account. And now here to connect my Lead Connector V2 with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select Add New Connection. If your Lead Connector V2 account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on Select Existing Connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this Connect with Lead Connector V2. And here you can see it is asking me to select the account over here. So I'm going to create a new contact in my GoHighLevel sub account. So here I'm going to select my sub account, which is named as Pabbly Connect. So this is my sub account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the first name, last name, full name, email, and some other details. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through MagicBricks, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the first name of my lead. So this is my lead's first name. So here I'm going to map it. Here I'm going to map the last name of my lead. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the full name. So for that, I'm going to select first name first, space, last name. Scrolling a little down, here for the email, I'm going to map my lead's email. So this is my lead's email. Moving forward, here this location ID is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the location ID, then you can do it as per your need. And now here for the phone number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. Moving forward, again, this address is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the city, I'm going to map my lead's preferred city. Scrolling little down, again this state, country, and some other fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our GoHighLevel sub account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name demo user. Here you can see the phone number, email as demo@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as MagicBricks and our action as lead connector V2. So that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our MagicBricks account, then automatically using the details, it is going to create a new contact in our GoHighLevel sub account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.